Let's add a little excitement.
Stop! Stop! I just wanted to read a book. Here it is. Couldn't even make a movie today.
You guys, that was garbage. That was just crap.
That was not garbage. That was great. That was great. It was a piece of crap. Okay. Ow! I surrender.
We're taking you away.
Taking you away. Jail time.
What? No.
Yeah.
What did I do?
Disagreed with us.
Yeah.
You must pay.
You're a traitor.
No.
You think everything's a piece of crap.
Yes. Yes. This will be your prison. 2 years.
2 years. 2 years?
Yes,
You're
2
kidding.
years.
Oh, come on, man. Dude. Ow. 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 Okay, let me stand up. Let me stand up.
No. He's not even worth the trouble.
No.
Okay.
Must be a light switch somewhere. There we go. Finally.
What the heck just happened? Where are they? Oh, they went outside.
He got me!
It's torture. It is torture.
You didn't play.
Let's go get the poison.
Okay, so for the poison,
This talk.
so make him talk. Yes.
It's something that will manipulate his mind. To be our prison.
Yeah. No, over here. Look.
Melatonin. Whatever that is.
Gourmet? Natural. It's gourmet. Alrighty. I think we got enough. Alright. We've got the ingredients.
Let's take it down. I'll guard and you just feed it. He'll like this.
Drink it, slave. Drink it. Drink it. Drink it.
Drink it.
I think that's good.
Why did you start?
That's really great.
Tell us, why did you start the fight?
Why? Because I felt like it.
The moral of this story is never start a fight.
or you're gonna get tortured and maybe die.